Find the equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at the point where f prime of x is equal to. Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to find the point where f prime of x is equal to. If we find the derivative of f of x, that is equal to 4x cubed plus 3 over 2. And set that is equal to 2, then 4x cubed is equal to 2 minus 3 over 2, that's 1/2. X cubed is 1 over 8, then x is 1/2. So the point where f prime of x is equal to is 1/2, comma f of 1/2. What's f of 1/2? Let's find that. That is equal to 1/2 to the power of 4, that's 1 over 16, plus 3 over 2 times 1/2 minus 1. That is 1 over 16. That's 3 over 4, right? So if we multiply by 4 each numerator and denominator, that's going to be 12 over 16. 1 is 16 over 16. So that is equal to negative 3 over 16. So this point is 1/2, comma negative 3 over 16. So the equation of line tangent to the graph of f at this point is using point slope form y minus y1. So y plus 3 over 16 is equal to slope. Slope is 2. X minus x1. X minus 1/2. If we simplify this, y plus 3 over 16 is equal to 2x minus 1. So y is equal to 2x minus 1 minus 3 over 16. That's minus 19 over 16. And that's it.